Good morning.
Good morning. So here we are, day 4. We had an awesome time on day 3. Susie caught a bunch of fish, and so did I. I had an awesome dinner, and here we are. First thing in the morning, we just woke up, had some breakfast, and we're gonna go visit Nicholas right now, and then get ready to go fishing again.
Yeah, and it's nice and super chilly this morning, as you can see, and it's about 28 degrees right now, so we are ready to go.
Day 4, we got a little bit of a late start. I think it's around 10 o'clock, but we're gonna head on to Gorge Road and to the power plant and what they call Pleasant Valley Reservoir. So we're gonna go check it out, try our luck.
So we've been here 3 days in a row because the fishing is so good. Other places have already been frozen over because the winter's already come really quick. So we're gonna try our luck and hopefully we're gonna catch our limits. 10 fish, 5 each. So we're gonna travel about 1.5 miles in, and we're gonna go to the boat ramp. We're almost there. It's just around that bend.
Okay, so we drove our bike about 1.5 miles in. We're here at the boat ramp and we're ready to go fishing.
Yeah, let's go. Looks like there's already some fishermen having fun here, and hopefully everybody's catching some good fish. And as you can see, other people have also brought their bike here, and that way you're able to, get here quicker so you can start fishing. Here we are at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, and I'm throwing my first line in the water. Wish me luck. Just where I wanted it. Okay, Alex is getting a second line in the water.
Good enough.
Nice. Okay, so we are all set up. Here is our stuff and our backpacks, some snacks for later, and I even got my privacy tent set up because normally I'm the only girl here. Definitely love using this. Okay, so let's catch some fish. Oh, he's coming! He's coming hard! Oh, it's a smallie. Get over here. Get. Got him. Rainbow. Are you guys sure you guys want to leave? See, they're gonna come right now. Oh, here.
What did you use?
So I just used Berkeley Powerbait in the chartreuse color, and he's a good 10 inches maybe about 3/4 of a pound, maybe 0.65, who knows. But yay, the first fish is here. Hey, looks like I got another one. I think I pulled it. Okay, no, he's still on, he's still on. Off. Oh, he's still on, he's still on. I got him. I caught another one on Berkeley Powerbait in chartreuse. So they're biting on the powerbait. I got one with a worm and one with powerbait. And check him out. What a pretty rainbow. Alex is getting a bite. Woo! Nice rainbow. Okay, so it's about 4:22 and we've caught in 3 fish so far. We've gotten more bites, but they just outsmarted us, I guess, and they just took off with our food. So this is the fishing hour. So hopefully we're gonna catch them because they just keep biting, or they bit in half our worm, or all of it. So let's see what happens. He's there? Yes. Right after I said the video, there he comes. It is fishing hour. Woo! Fish on, fish on.
Number 2.
Number 2. Nice. Okay, so now we got 4 fish total. Check out what I just got. Look at this nice fatty I just caught using Susie's secret bait. Just joking, I'm using a worm. Wow, he put up a good fight. Okay, time to get another one back in. He was faking me out, but I got him. Woo, nice rainbow. Well, as you can see, it's kind of dark now, but Alex has his headlamp, and that's how we're able to see what's going on. And my headlamp's up at top, so we're almost packed up and ready to take a bike ride. Awesome day fishing. Okay, so we had a fun day fishing, and now we are gonna go to the casino because we found out that if you show your fishing license, they're gonna give us $15 free slot play. How cool is that? We just came back from the casino and we're ahead $10. Yay! So I'm gonna buy my hubby some dinner. So we're back to Salsa's Taqueria, and they have such good food. So let's go see what is on deal tonight.
Here we are. We're ready for dinner. We just stopped off and grabbed ourselves a burrito.
Wow. It's a big burrito. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. So we're gonna eat some dinner and then we're gonna clean our fish. We caught 6 fish today. So how awesome was that?
And Susie caught most of them.
Okay, here we are at the fish cleaning area at our hotel. And there is our fish. And today we caught all rainbow trout. And Alex is going to clean and gut them. So here is Alex's 2 fish he caught today, putting it on his rack. So look at all his fish. And you gotta check this puppy out. He is huge. So because of this huge fish, Alex wins the trophy of having the biggest fish caught. Woo! Good job, baby. Here is my catch. I caught 4 fishes, all because of Alex helping me out, bait the fish, get my hooks ready. So I am totally grateful to him. There he is. Thank you, honey. Here's my fish. Looks like I had Lady Luck on my side. Alex just cleaned a bunch of fish, 6 of them. And now we are ready to clean up and go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.